Alright guys, let's start off with some videos looking at a simulation program called Factor.io. I've used this in a number of videos, but we're going to start fresh. I'll show you where the link is, so I'll provide the link in the comment section for where to purchase this. I get an affiliate program, so I get a little bit of cash if you purchase it through me. So Factor.io is basically a simulation program where you can build up anything from a small simulation to something crazy like this. And I'll show you the different types of additions and the prices that are below. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be trying a free trial. The free trial is for 30 days. And in doing so, you're going to be doing the PLC course within the 30 days. So you're going to try and stay focused. And every day you're going to be working on completing another section of the PLC course, another section, and push yourself through. So you can try and get all the way through the course within 30 days. Once you've finished the 30 days, then if you're still interested in using Factor.io, then you can purchase a monthly or yearly. Is there monthly or is it? Yeah, so there's a monthly subscription and there's a yearly, or there's a one-time fee for perpetuity. So let's look at the options here, guys. So you got the Ultimate Edition. That basically gives you, that's the most expensive one. If we look at that one, it gives you all of the different PLCs. So anything you want to connect to in terms of Allen Bradley or Siemens PLCs, you'll be able to connect to. If you have a Delta PLC, you could use an interface board, Modbus and OPC, so a number of different units there. You'd probably purchase that if you're going to use Siemens and Allen Bradley, but in actual fact, you're probably going to use like CodeSys or something like that. But that's the Ultimate Edition. Again, you're doing the free trial for now. Other ones, you have specific editions. So you have the Siemens Edition or the Allen Bradley, which are a little bit cheaper. But again, if you're planning on learning a number of different PLCs, you might as well purchase the Ultimate Edition. There's a Modbus and OPC edition, and you're going to be using that one if you're going to, again, be making use of CodeSys, right? Or if you're using a Schneider Unity Pro. Okay, other ones that are out there would be the MHJ edition and the Autumn edition. I'm not sure which these guys actually are. Okay, so, and then if you're doing the starter edition, let's look at that one. That one's super cheap as well. That one uses a program called Control.io, which I believe is like a function block PLC unit. I'm going to have to do some videos on this guy as well. Yeah, it's function block for sure. So that's probably your cheapest option to purchase. But again, you're going to try and make use of the time while you have the free trial, and you're going to be using it with whichever PLC you're interested in learning, or whichever PLC you actually have on hand. Okay, on that same website, if we go to editions, you can look at all the editions that we just looked at. They can provide you with the features, right? So there's 20 ready-to-use scenes. There's a number of industrial parts that we can make use of. We'll look at each of these guys. You can use pre-built scenarios, or you can build your own scenarios. There's digital and analog I/O, and there's also troubleshooting, right? So you can always inject, if you're an instructor or something, you can inject some troubleshooting issues into your scenes there. Okay, within the support, there's a number of frequently asked questions that you can reference. If we go back, so you can do that for home, general licenses, and drivers. And if we go back one, and if we go to community, I would join the community. Because you can just ask questions, and then either somebody from Factor.io or somebody like myself who uses Factor.io often is going to answer your question fairly quickly, like within an hour to 24 hours. You're probably going to get an answer to your question, or you're going to be able to search through the questions that were already asked, and you'll already find your answer. Okay, going back one more time to learn. That's where everything's going to be in terms of getting started. The complete Factor.io guide for the manual, relevant information regarding each of the scenes. There's some tutorials and samples that you can download. And in terms of I/O drivers, there might be something that you need to look at as well. Okay, the manual gives you everything. So if you open up the manual there, it will give you everything in terms of how to navigate each of the scenes, what each of your scenes are, right? So all of the different scenes are labeled here. All your parts are here. And then your I/O drivers are here as well. So say we're going to connect up to a compact Logix. You could do Allen Bradley Logix 5000. It'll have a tutorial on how to set it up. and they'll have a sample scene. So they'll do the assembling scene with the compact logics, and they will walk you through everything on how to configure your unit in order to get Factory I/O to talk to your Studio 5000, or if you're using Siemens, like if we're looking at Siemens TIA, right, in order to talk to your S7 1200 or S7 1500, and how to make sure that Factory I/O is talking to your TIA portal. Okay, so everything's available on the website here, guys. All right, guys, that gives us a good overview of what's involved in Factory I/O. This playlist will go through everything about Factory I/O. So how to open up the software, how to develop a scene, how to manipulate that scene, and then how to make sure that your PLC is talking within the Factory I/O environment. All right, hopefully you're just as enthused as I am about this awesome software. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks very much for watching right to the end.